everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Happy Sunday. Today I am going to do a ring pour, but what I'm thinking about doing is moving the eye of the ring pour off of the canvas and kind of stretching the lines in a horizontal way to kind of almost give a ribbon pour feel to them. But we'll see how it goes. I may end up keeping the eye of the ring pour on the canvas. I don't know. I keep saying eye, center, whatever you want to say. Nonetheless, that's what I'm going to do today. Also, you guys, don't forget, I will be teaching at the Fluid Art Experience in March. You can head over to the website and book your classes with me and all of the other fabulous artists. That is in March, like I said. The dates are there, so make sure you head over there. Thanks for watching the video today. Let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So what I've got is a 24 by 24 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. Today I am going to, like I said, do a ring pour, but I'm doing it differently where I'm going to be tilting probably the center eye off of the canvas. Real quick, we'll talk about these colors. I've got the ice blue from Deco Art. It's a metallics, really cute little color. I've got Amsterdam and Phthalo blue. I've got Creative Inspirations in titanium white. Of course, I've got 24 karat gold. Amsterdam yellowish green, nice and bright, and using some Artist Loft Soft Body black. Black and that green go well together. I painted my sides and edges with the Phthalo blue so that I don't get bare edges coming through. And this is a flow extender of extra paints that I've just gotten off of the table before. So we'll use that as our flow extender. All right, so I'm gonna need 20 ounces of paint for a 20 by 24. But because I want to have enough paint to be able to tilt the center off if I choose to, then I'm gonna fill up more. So these are HDX cups I get from Home Depot. They've got markings that go up to 24 ounces. I'm gonna fill it almost all the way up to the top because I'm gonna need at least 20, but I want enough paint to be able to play. All right, let's fill up our cup. All right, I think what I wanna do just some black in the bottom. Then we'll go green. Nice thick layers because we're going to need a lot of paint to do this with. Gold. White. Put a little bit of black. Little blue. The ice blue. All right, let's come back in. Tons of green. White. Gold. White. Blue. Ice blue. Black. Some green. Some ice blue. Phthalo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just put a small puddle of paint. And I don't want to pour it dead center. I think I'm going to pour right here. Pour into that. just gonna squeeze. Lots and lots of cells are coming up. Gonna give it a quick torch. So, let's just walk this around a little bit. Let's hang on for a second here and see if I want to go over. I don't know, I kind of like it. It's so deep. Got great cells, things stretched out so nicely. I don't know, I'm thinking about leaving it right where it is, instead of stretching the eye off. I don't know. Now I'm thinking I'm gonna stop. I'm digging it right where it is. All right, I'm gonna stop here and bring you guys down. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. So I really love this. I love how the cells are forming. Each color that I used is represented in this piece. But man, that green and black and the blues really work well together. Let's bring you in here for a close-up. All right, everyone, that is it. So this one dried really nice. I got some really great lines, but the cells that popped up through here, just phenomenal. I didn't want to take off the edge or the eye. I really thought about it, but the more and more I sat there and stared at it, I really liked keeping the center on the canvas. So maybe I will revisit that idea of pulling the eye off the canvas and stretching out the lines in a horizontal way. So, but this really is cool. Going to get some gloss varnish on it and then get it up on the website to sell. So if you're interested, let me know. You can email me at studio15acrylics@gmail.com, or you can just buy it from the website. All right, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see everybody next time. Bye-bye.